Hello, everyone. Hello, PEC fans page lovers. Good morning. This is the voice of Anas Mahfud, one of the tutors of BEC of B English course. And this morning, I'm gonna share with you how to pronounce this word. Okay. So selamat pagi, saya Anas, salah satu tutor dari BEC pagi ini. Ini live stream pertama saya di BEC fans page. So hari ini kita akan belajar how to pronounce this word. Bagaimana kita pronounce kata ini? Apakah occur? Is that how the way you pronounce it? Occur, or so the correct pronunciation of this is occur in American English. So I am using Cambridge Dictionary. Why I use this? I love this dictionary because it displays like two kinds of pronunciation, including the International Phonetic Alphabet. Ini International Phonetic Alphabet. Cara ya bagaimana untuk mengucapkan itu dengan benar dengan simbol ini. So in American English it is occur. In British English it is occur. So it is not occur. Jadi dengan alasan apapun, kan punya aksen sendiri-sendiri. Ya, aksen mana? Okay. So this is the acceptable way of pronunciation especially for international students. Right, so the standard one. So I believe that there are many kinds of various pronunciation, but at least as learners, we are guided by those presented in the dictionaries. Right. So this one is occur. What is the meaning of occur? So not only are we learning how to pronounce, but also how to use this word in a context, right? So this one is occur means happen, to happen, especially of accidents and other unexpected events. Ya, terjadi terutama seperti hal-hal seperti kecelakaan atau hal-hal lain yang kejadiannya yang terjadinya tidak diharapkan, unexpected events. Okay, well, let's try to read this in the context. Right? An accident involving over 10 vehicles has occurred in the eastbound lane. Okay, number 2, if any of these symptoms occur while you are taking the medication, consult your doctor immediately. Okay. The second meaning of occur, it is a bit similar, is exist, ada, ya, hadir atau ada, to exist or be present in, among, etc. For example, violence of some type seems to occur in every society. Jadi, kekerasan semacam itu ya, seems to occur in every, sepertinya terjadi di setiap masyarakat atau golongan masyarakat. Minerals occur naturally in the earth's crust. Mineral ada secara alami di permukaan atau di kerak bumi, ya, permukaan bumi. Okay, so that is the meaning of occur and how to pronounce occur. Remember, it is not occur. Okay, well, have a good weekend. Thank you.